My name's Peter Goodge. I'm Senior Product Manager with Kuhn Krause, and amongst other products, I'm responsible for the strip tillage. The National Strip-Tillage Conference is really a chance for us to connect with strip-till farmers from across the states. We even get some international guys here from places like Australia, and it's such a focused group. There's no other trade show that we go to where we know that every contact we get, we're going to speak about one product in particular. It's obviously a chance for us to promote our own machines, but as much as we're able to give, we learn a lot from being here as well. We learn the latest trends in strip tillage. We learn where strip tillers and our customers are facing challenges. It's feedback for us as a company that we can use both in our in product development and just also as general knowledge on the market. A lot of product development on the strip-till row unit. For over several years, one of the main comments that we got back about the ST Pro row unit was that we had a lot of wear on the side plates down on the shank. In the last 12 months, we introduced a new side plate. It took us a few years to find a material which was really going to give us harder wear, or higher wear life, I should say, but also the ability to live up to working conditions. But it came as a direct response to a lot of feedback that we got here. It's going to grow as it has been doing. There are really the key drivers remain the same. There's always a demand to reduce on-farm labour. There's always a greater drive to look at new ways of practicing conservation agriculture. Nutrient management has spread from the typical regional zones which we might think about, the Chesapeake Bay or the Great Lakes area, to encompass so much of the US prime crop growing regions. In the last 12 months, we've become a partner with 4R. So this is a philosophy of nutrient management: right source, right rate, right time, right place. And with the Gladiator strip till system and our partners Montag, we're able to encompass all of this. We're able to allow a customer to choose what type of fertilizer he wants to work with. Dry fertilizer, of course, with Montag, but we can work with liquid or anhydrous, and different styles of fertilizer fit different soil types, different climates, and really allow a customer to choose the right source of the fertilizer, right rate. With variable application systems, we're able to make sure that any individual part of a given field is receiving the correct amount of fertilizer, right place, getting it right down there in the strip where the crop's growing, of course. So we're really able to encompass the 4Rs totally with one system. And that's something that's growing, it has been growing, it's going to continue to grow. The strip till piece it's really a tool to help growers manage through these difficult years. When soils get wet, they need to be dried out before they can plant, and being able to make just a single pass and get that drying process going, drying and warming up process going, so the planter can get in and plant behind, is key to that. And strip tillage allows that to take place in a single pass. So, well, as we all know, last fall, incredibly wet. A lot of folks struggled to get area tilled, strip tilled or conventionally tilled, and then came into this spring. We thought, okay, finally we're going to get something done, and what happened? It rained again. Now, a lot of folks did get some strip till done, especially in the spring, and from the conversations I've been having, the guys that managed to get strip till done, those were some of the best fields they got. They were able to build those strips, let them dry out and get planting quicker than they could anywhere else. What I'm thinking is that, and with some conversations I've been having, I think there's going to be a renewed focus on getting strip till done in the fall just as soon as there's time. Not losing time in the fall or waiting for any reason, but getting in there with the strip tiller right behind the combine if necessary, because once those strips are made, the seed bed has been created, and that's something that I think a lot of folks are going to start to think about. This last 2 seasons, last fall and this spring, has really been something of a realization for a lot of people, and we all hope this isn't going to be the norm, but it will happen from time to time, and I think people are going to be preparing for this should it happen in the future. We're a complete service package. So with the Kuhn Gladiator, we're getting you've got the row unit. There's many innovative features on there. There's easy to adjust, the zero maintenance. But together with the Kuhn Krause Gladiator comes the partnership with Montag. It's a turnkey solution. And then even behind that, you have the support of the Kuhn brand through our dealer network. So for us, the sale is only the start of our relationship with the customer. The whole product support piece behind there is the rest of it, and helping the customer through the rest of his life with us. I say I've been coming to the Strip-Till Conference for 5 years, and over the last 3 to 4 years, cover crops have been an ever more present part of the Strip-Till Conference. I see more round tables, more classrooms, and more people coming to us and wanting to talk about it. I'm not sure that anyone's really got the solution yet of how to manage cover crops and strip-till together, but there are a lot of people trying things. It's something that we're working with our customers on to try to work out exactly what do we want to do, what's the ultimate aim, how many applications do we really want to combine into a single pass in the field. And you'll always find there's the guys at one end who want to do everything all together, and then there are some folks who, okay, well maybe we should cover crop and strip till slightly differently. How do we strip till into this growing cover crop? The planting green piece is also something which is getting a lot of attention at the moment. So it's something, the whole cover crop piece is just growing generally. The strip till piece is growing as well. They're beginning to converge. It's an exciting time to be a part of it. It really is. You speak to so many people, so many ideas, and we'll piece it all together and work out together how to go forwards. Just as always, shaping up to be a great conference. Really appreciate the effort that Leciter put into this, and our opportunity to be a sponsor, and thank you for a great job.